Today I'm going to do a video about two products that I received from Hipa from Amazon. Um, the first one I'm going to replace is the filter for my Echo trimmer. The second one is the filter for my Honda lawnmower and generator. So this is what they sent to me. This is the Hipa kit, maintenance kit. It has the filter, air filter, fuel filter, and spark plugs. This website is hipa360.com, but this is available from Amazon. And these are the filters for the trimmer. I'm going to put this aside and do the trimmer first. I have an Echo SRM 225. The filter kit comes with 6. Looks pretty decent. It's pretty thick. There's a plastic powder on it. Let me put these back here. So the way you replace the air filter on your trimmer is I try to do it every year. So you unscrew this right here. When you take it off, voila, you see the filter right here. Simply take it out. You see how dirty the old one is? So I'm gonna clean the trimmer. Just did. So this is the old one. It's pretty dirty. And this is the new one from Hipa. Let me feel the texture on the original one and the texture on the new one. Pretty similar. I don't see any difference. Here's what it looks. Here's what they look like side by side. Yeah, this is dirty. Definitely need to replace. It's gonna help the trimmer tremendously because having a dirty filter will not be a good thing. That's like the trimmer will not run. The oxygen intake will not be as good as it used to be. So I bought this trimmer last year. This is the first time I'm replacing it. So I intend to do this, replace this maybe twice a year because this is pretty dirty. I should have replaced this earlier, but I didn't. So here's how you put it back on. There's only one way. You cannot do it this way. There's only one way. You cannot do it this way because it just simply won't fit. You can do it this way or this way. It doesn't really matter. Put it there and then flip this. Put it back on. You put this back on. Just like that. Make sure it's snug fit, which is. So I'm going to turn it on cold start. Pump it 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to start it.
Daddy, is this the one that I? Daddy, is this the one that I?
Ready? I'm going to change the air filter. For the lawnmower, I believe this air filter also fits the generator. So I'm going to show you how to do both of them. This is not the air filter, this is just a cushion, okay? This is the air filter. This feels pretty good. The quality is nice. I don't see anything different than the OEM product. This has the metal mesh, the soft plastic rubber. Let's try. This is my Honda EB3000C generator. I had it for a long time and it runs great. So I'm going to replace the air filter. The air filter is right here on the back. So what you do is you loosen these four latches. They'll come off. And this is the original one. As you can see, I just changed this not long ago and it's pretty clean. This is not the Honda one. I bought it from the local store. So it's pretty much the same size. There you go, same size. Except the blue one and the black one. The black one is from Hipa, so that's how you do. You put it back. You put it right here. That's what you do. So in order to change it, you just simply put it in like this. It fits right. And this is the cover. You put the cover back on, just like that. Locked it. Locked it. Locked it. Locked it. So what I'm gonna do is put this one back on because I only have one. I'm gonna put this same filter into my lawnmower because my lawnmower is also a Honda. I am pretty sure, you know what, I'm beyond sure that it fits both of them. Okay, this is my lawnmower. It's a little bit dirty because it rained yesterday when I was mowing. This is the Honda HRX 217. So I'm going to remove the air filter. I haven't changed it for a while. Well, this one's a little bit dirty, so I'm going to replace it. See how dirty it is? I'll show you how dirty this thing is. This is the... Now let me show it to you this way. See, when I fold it, you see all the dirty stuff right here, all the debris. So with that said, I know I need to replace it. See all the dirty debris, all the leaves and dust. Okay, it's a good idea to clean the area with a towel. That's what I'm doing now. Mine's not very dirty, but I like to clean it. So with the filter right here, you want to make sure the metal mesh is inside. You pop it on just like that. If it doesn't stay, it's okay because the outer cover is gonna prevent it from coming out. See, it comes out. It's okay, you just snap it back on. Here, it's all done. Throw this away, it's no good. I'm gonna start the. I just have to start it. Okay, that's it.